Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin on SKTV, and I'm Victoria Rajkumari. Before we begin, SKTV News would like to wish our dear viewers a very Merry Christmas. And now, the headlines. Ministry of Home Affairs allows a 10-kilometer radius cross-border movement of residents along Manipur-Myanmar border with Assam Rifles border pass. President Draupadi Murmu appoints former Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla as Governor of Manipur. And people from various communities gathered to celebrate Christmas at various churches in the state with religious fervor and gaiety. And now the top stories. The Union Home Ministry Affairs has informed the Manipur government about a new scheme to allow Myanmar residents who live within a 10-kilometer of the border into Manipur, but after getting a border pass from the Assam Rifles. According to a report on Hindustan Times, the ministry informed the state government about this scheme through an official letter to the Chief Secretary. The development holds significance as the state government has currently suspended the free movement regime at Indo-Indian Myanmar border. The order also mentioned that 8 pilot exit or entry points will be made functional immediately, while 35 other points will be set up under Phase 1 and Phase 2. The movement of border residents would be allowed for specific reasons such as visiting relatives, tourism, business, medical treatment and cultural exchange programs. Residents need to produce relevant papers before Assam Rifles to issue the border pass, and the pass will entail single entry for a stay up to a week and will have to be returned at the same point. A copy of the letter labeled as deployment of police personnel and health officials at pilot sites of entry or exit points along Indo-Myanmar border directed the Chief Secretary to appoint at least 2 police and 2 health officials at each of the identified entry or exit points of the Assam Rifles Company operating bases where the people will be allowed to enter. The ministry also highlighted that a similar scheme will also be introduced in Myanmar. However, there has been no response from Assam Rifles and Manipur Police regarding the scheme. The state government is also expected to clarify about the scheme today. Former Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla has been appointed as the new Governor of Manipur. According to an order issued by President's Secretariat of President of India, Draupadi Murmu yesterday, Governor of Assam Lakshman Prasad Acharya has been appointed as the governor in charge after the retirement of former Manipur Governor Anusuya Uike. The report further stated that after accepting the resignation of Odisha Governor Raghubar Das, the President of India has appointed new governors for 5 states. Ajay Kumar Bhalla served as the Union Home Secretary from 2019 to 2024. In other appointments, Mizoram Governor Dr. Haribabu Gadampati has been transferred to as Odisha, while a former General Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh has been appointed as the Governor of Mizoram. Meanwhile, Bihar Governor Rajendra Bishwanath Arlekar will now serve as the Governor of Kerala, and Kerala Governor Arif Mohammed Khan will take over as the Governor of Bihar. In heartwarming news, a large number of people from various communities gathered to celebrate Christmas at MBC Church Center, Chingmarong today. The festive mood reignited the hearts of the people for the first time since the conflict started last year. The people prayed for peace and normalcy of the state at the celebration. Meanwhile, a large number of people gathered to perform a Christmas carol at Don Bosco Church, Salungphom yesterday evening. Attendees of the celebration waited till midnight to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. Imphal Rongmei Baptist Church RBCC also celebrated Christmas at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal quarter today. The celebration was marked by attendees singing carols and praying for peace and prosperity. Longmai Part 4 Baptist Church and other churches located at None District Headquarters celebrated Christmas today. Attendees celebrated the birth of Jesus Christ by singing carols and by offering prayers for prosperity and peace in the state. Village authority leaders and villagers attended the celebration. Speakers at the celebration renewed their faith on Lord Jesus by remembering the sacrifices made by Jesus Christ for humanity.
Rongmai Naga Baptist Council Makada Nune area ki Baptist Church Tarukna function Bhajan Sathari Amatangai Raba Ishor ki Magi birthday anniversary se akhona observe toba 39 choba numini ngasi 25 sida akhona yam na mapung phana harau ta yamaga loinana ishor bu thagat pagi wahai kriya loinadana mauna hal chabi mayam chala aga jagoi sadana ishor bu thagat pagi akhoi ki nungai bangthuk chari 2025 January phau se akhoi samnana akhoi si function jathai pani.
Manipuri Students Federation MSF extended greetings to the people of the state for Christmas. In the press release, MSF Publicity Secretary Abhijit Kabrabam wished for unity among various communities residing in the state. The organization also wished for prosperity, peace of the people, and also wished for the return of normalcy in the state. The ongoing relay hunger strike, organized by Uripok Apunba Lup and Uripok Apunba Nupi Lup, has entered its 40th day. Club members and Merapaibis of Naurimthong Laishram Lerak took out the protest today morning, and Miyatho Committee, DIC Merapaibis and residents from NG Lerak Takilambam Lekai and Chingtam Lerak took out the protest in the evening. After a brief respite, Kuki militants launched an attack at Sanam village in Imphal East district early this morning, bombarding the area with explosives and gunfire. As per sources, the militants fired around 10 bombs from the nearby hill range at approximately 6 a.m., followed by a barrage of bullets. In response, village volunteers and security forces from surrounding areas fought back, resulting in a fierce gun battle that lasted till 8 p.m. Fortunately, no casualties have been reported. Meanwhile, Kuki militants also targeted Thamna Pokpi, Sagran and several other areas under Yangang Pokpi police station late last night. Sources indicated that militants fired rounds of bullets towards Thamna Pokpi from Uyok Hill Range around 10 p.m. Local villagers and security forces retaliated, engaging in heavy exchange of gunfire that continued till 2 a.m. Security forces have continuously seized stash of weapons and explosives from various areas in Churachandpur district. In a combined operation carried out by a team of Assam Rifles and Churachandpur district police at Moljol village under Sangaikot police station yesterday, a substantial cache of arms and ammunition have been seized. During the operation, the joint team seized one M16 rifle along with magazine, one 303 rifle along with magazine, 4 SBBL Countrymet gun, 1 revolver pistol and 10 live round ammunition of 5.56 mm. The seized articles were handed over to Sangaikot police station for further investigations. District Hospital Monitoring Committee Jidibam has urged relevant authority to validate the transfer order of doctors from 50-bedded hospital in Jidibam only after facilitating the required number of doctors in the hospital. The committee has also demanded government to nullify the transfer order by January 1st, 2025, while also warning of agitations from January 2nd if relevant authorities fail to meet their demands. Speaking in this regard, convener of District Hospital Monitoring Committee N. Sadananda said people of Jiribam are not against any transfer order. However, government and relevant authority must fill up the required doctors and staffs in the hospital first before executing the transfer order. Speaking further, Sadananda also maintained that the hospital still lacks various infrastructures and is far from completion. The hospital still encounters leakages while the top floor do not have roof. Sadananda also warned relevant authority of agitations if government failed to fulfill their demands.
Jiribam si leijariba doctor khara ikang khangudana amu transfer posting sindorakpada yaubirakpa masi Manipur lenga ki tangai phadaba thorum amagi tawbiba oragasu masi Jiribam ji prajana asukamatik kandhiam tawi masi yajaninde Jiribam da ki hospital da leba doctor sin pubi gi bada Jiribam ji prajana thingbadi ngamjade adubu magi mahut sinba thabira kadabado adu hana leiriba aduguna great suba matik sana haiba singba afaba makhaibi doctor sing akhoi sidida thabirau thoiba order asi sendok semjin tawbidana matik saba doctor matik saba CMO matik saba BMS laiba tarik amu baugi manumda PBU karigumba adu PBU sarkana madu arrange tawbiba ngambidragana masini order asi cancel tawbiraga lairiba doctor sing posting sing jedum lehambiu karigumba hariba thawong sing asida sakai bhetta taragadi hariba tarik asigi thangama tarik ani asidagidi Jiribam to Imphal natraga Imphal to Jiribam chaliba lambi sida akoi gari ungli chalhandabagi akanba khongjang kya changsalakana akoi Jiribam prajagi awabase ubina ba khambinabagi damakta khongjang kya changsalagani haidana District Hospital Monitoring Committee gi maigedagi phongdoksari.
Wabagai Higher Secondary School 1976 Metric Batch organized a remembrance program for teachers at the school premises today. Speaking at the program, former principal of Kokching Higher Secondary School, E. Surchan, highlighted that the program was organized as a remembrance of school's teachers who taught them 45 years ago. The attendees offered floral tribute to the teachers and also observed a 1-minute silence at the program today.
Wajaga Satra Marishiki, school it is eternal, it is for life. Masipuchi Chupakinese, Masidi, May Liarana, Masidi, functionary Langiba, Aigi Shiraba Satra, Aigi now sing Punamagna, Masimayama.
Zikimatamda, Inkaraiva Satra Satri Singna, Hausi Koiba was Asinga, Aduhana, Koibiru was Asinga. Respect over the songs. Mamma Matam Sum Hunter put train like Masima Tamuch and Wajati. Science and technology, Sapalapodi Matungina, Wazaku Singa, Adumba Taxi Kasitaron Bevara said, Masigi, Mummy said, Kagamay Sita,
31st Annual Meet of Manipuri Short Story Society India and Short Story Festival 2024 was organized today at Shihadwar Meitei village under Sivashagar in Assam. Meitei writers from various parts of the northeast state have attended the event. Cash award, shawl, citations and mementos were also distributed to the awardees of Rajkumar Seetaljit Lifetime Achievement Award 2024, Neena Devi from Rajeshpur Part 4, Hilakandi in Assam, Sanam Tanubabu Singh Memorial International Award 2024 awardee, Sorokhaivam Devendro from Singtamai Chingamakha and Sahitya Sevak Mana awardee of Manipuri Short Story Society India, Nauram Indira Devi from Rajeshpur Hilakandi in Assam. The Manipuri Short Story Society also honored Sahitya awardees of state and national level, including 4 new members of the society. Speaking to media, Lamlai MLA KH Ibomcha maintained the necessity to foster the unity of Meitei community and assure to participate in all events related to Meitei history and civilization. He also affirmed to attend the event as a lifetime member of the society for the welfare of the society.
ऐतिहासिक कोई निथौ सिंथल फोंबगी मतमदा अवाना सही तरह फुंदा पाइन नै खाय कोई मणिपुर से तोटेमदि अवाब खुरुम पीबा मरै मतमदा कोई सिगी अहोंगी निथौ राजेश्वर मागी मतिंग लौरगा अवादि ताबुकिवा अरुबा मणिपुर कंगीबा अदुगी लमन ओइना है तारे कोई मागी मसानति खरंगनै अहोंगी निथौ सिदा पिरपा.
Now it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
Seizure free morning and evening OPD consultation. Miyamda affordable quality healthcare thanghanabagi pandamda ayuk pung 8dagi 13 amasung nungthil pung 1dagi 3 phawba tongan-tonganba specialty 12 gi free OPD consultation 16 December 2024 dagi hauzare. Akupa marol Seizure hospitals Langol dagi khangbiba yagani.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. Prayer ceremony for an upcoming film titled Lakrakpa Maningol organized today at Manipur Press Club. The film will be produced under Carved Picture and will be directed by Thoiba Soibam. Speaking at the ceremony, former chairman of Film Forum Manipur, S. Mangoljao, expressed that the film will be a fan favorite. He further stated that the development of film in the state has been halted due to COVID pandemic and the ongoing conflict in the state. The former chairman maintained that the state should produce more quality films despite the hardships.
Manipur film gi hausi ta sena laibak thibani akoi corona dagi laibak thigi baduna makhasa tharak pada kitang phage tormaga mu lansina mu hena khudong tihle cinema gi khongsa se hantarak labadi maramdi karino technology mayam ama thoksalakpa Objecti ngasi aina film si yenghudrusu hayang hangsit leraga ai khubakta ai mobile da iPhone amadani chini yengba yarabanina technology mayam sina cinema hon sing je halakpana maram oidana paisa sang puthokpasi paisa hanjan mangabaktaba masina maram orga producer tholokpase yam hanthare malem gi oina film puthokpaki sang de dumaktam da tamna handharani adu orgasu Manipur da film puthokpadi lepadi ai lepoi haina ai admaina de dum thamjage.
Prayer ceremony for a film titled Nang Naheli was also organized at Manipur Press Club today. The film will be the first production of Mami Kongchet. Speaking at the ceremony, Film Forum Manipur chairman Laimayum Surjakanta highlighted the difficulties faced by the cinema theatres in the state due to constant monetary demands. He also highlighted the roles taken up by the cinema theatres for the development of Manipuri films.
Manipur ki situation si da mai gi oina school kai government office kari bari chele loi mai gi simbam da hanjale ado cinema ho je manin tamna mai gi simbam da hanjan ngam da si gi awa mayam si manu da mu sangai thongai mayam jina whole the threat to gi ba cinema hall si cinema bu kapdi pasai am da tali mo gi aram ba rong bisin am khu yauri angwa grabjan cinema hall na loan khode mo kap ya ba threat amo oitar ko di du gi awa do khara phagde ba ado suna te ko loan ani khani grabs English and material ni taruk yengbagi management ni kunthai yengbagi management houseful kap management di cha mane ni taruk ni yengi do generator do thawan de ya de household is Samana Taudale, Tiki Awabasi, Cinema Hall, Manipuri film in Marabok Agassi, Cinema Hall improved of the Manipuri film improved of the Akai level Miamda, Agri Kusni, Cinema Patrici Carigino, Cinema Nakari, Pausel Piri, Cinema Nakari, Taudang Lodi, Cinema Hall Yamda, family, Komakoza, Magi, like Piri Veneva, Masamasu like Tamalivini, Mama, Anna, Lain Tori, Pudema Puri Veneva, holding in Bamasang, holding every social Sweden cinema, holding in cinema, Manipuri.
Diva Ras, produced by Sangeet Kala Foundation from Kashamthong Thangjom Lerak under the funding of Ministry of Culture through CFPGS for 2023-24 was showcased today at Radha Madan Mohan Mandap. The event was attended by former Registrar of Manipur University of Culture, Laishram Radhakanta, Sangeet Natak Academy awardee and former Pradhan Guru of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Fanjobam Iboton, Chief Advisor of RBCF, B. Mushana Sharma, and Rajdhari of the Sri Sri Govindaji Temple Board, S. Dhirendra, among others. Speaking at the event, Laishram Radhakanta praised the initiative of performing Diva Rash, noting that it is becoming a rare art form. He emphasized that this dance will contribute to research on Manipuri Ras dance, highlighting its unique features. He also encouraged those involved in cultural activities to work towards preserving the beauty of Ras dance. The Sangeet Kala Foundation also presented Nipa Pala and Diva Ras during the event. Celine Digital announced the winners of its annual award today. In a press release, Celine Digital highlighted that storyteller Dr. Konthauzam Kunjor Singh of Kohomba Khetri Laikai and social worker H. Rajmani Singh of Bantarapur, Assam will be presented Manipur Imagi Athoiba Mapari 2024 award, while a nurse, namely Bharmachari Mayum Amusana Devi of Thangmaiban, will be presented Manipur Imagi Athoibi Mamomloi 2024 award. The awards will be presented at an event which will be organized in the first week of next year. Book release program organized at the Auditorium Hall of Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR today. The Manipuri language version of Sahitya Academy award-winning poetry book titled Lairo Nung by Koijam Santibala was released at the program. Two books written by Khetri Rajan titled Lambi Sida Samnadabagi Samnadaba Singh and Samumacha was also released at the program. The program was attended by former convener of Sahitya Academy Manipuri Language Advisory Board, Professor Huirem Bihari, and Nongmaitem Kiran Kumar, Cultural Forum Manipur President, Professor Koijam Santibala, Sahitya Academy Manipuri Language Advisory Convener, Professor Rajen Toijamba, and All India Radio approved lyricist Sanglakpam Achou Sharma as guests. Speaking in the program, author Khetri Rajan expressed concern over dwindling number of readers in the state. He further highlighted the importance of reading during the program.
Larik ahum masida aini ijaba sareng larik anini aduga amana koi cultural forum Manipur ki president oibiribi professor Koijam Santibala Devina Christab Lising aniga kuni thoida Sahitya Academy award phambi khraba lairo nung haibasi koi maite mek ta onthok pibani larik ahum masi phongjabani ai isagi oinadi sareng da yamba ijabani sareng ate ijabagi maramdi masigi journal asida ekoina samaj da uriba thengnariba tariba koida phawriba punam asi phongdok pada khara ning tamna phongdo na khallaga aina sareng si ijabani ijari basing asida samaj da koina hainingba tawhanjaningba kharadi akoi dum yaujari bani haijari bani adu miyamna phongjari ba laising asi pabiragadi yamna nuaijagani koina miyamna larik pabagi hainabi thambiu.
Minister Yumnam Khemchan, Mahut Minister Yumnam Khemchan emphasized that the players from Manipur continue to earn accolades not only for India but for the state as well, despite the ongoing crisis. He commended clubs, associations and organizations, including Yawa, for their unwavering support in nurturing these athletes. His remarks were made during the inaugural ceremony of the second Winter Sepak Takraw Coaching Camp 2024-25 held today at Yawa Indoor Stadium located at Singjamai Leishangthem Laikai, organized by Youth Amateur Welfare Association, in short Yawa Singjamai. Speaking at the event, Minister Kim Chan assured that assistance will be provided to players of the constituencies who are facing difficulties in booking flight tickets due to the ongoing violence which has disrupted road travel. The coaching camp, scheduled to run until January 12, has seen participation from 122 players consisting of 77 boys and 45 girls. Among them, one boy from Moray, currently sheltering at Akampat Relief Camp, joined the camp alongside 12 boys from Thobal district. The chief coach of the camp is NIS certified coach of Sepak Takraw, Kangibam Jotin, and will also feature 3 coaches from the Asian Games medalist Sepak Takraw team along with 7 male coaches, all of whom will provide expert training to the players.
यामना चलाना इबा मणिपुर हाइताई छिबाउदा सानादसिंगी परफॉर्मेंस 100 दा हाइताई होनबो लेप्तरा मणिपुर सी मालयामदा मदि अखोगी कंट्री से इंडिया दा सक ताकना चली हाइताई अनुगी अखोगी क्वालिटी 100 दा सानादसिंगा मरोय याम फजन इनकरेज टू सी तोन क्लब संग एसोसिएशन सिंग इंडिविजुअल सिंग मयाम पुन्ना करेज ओबी ngasi maksu sinbiriba inter coaching si ayam shooting winter session off leba matam sida suti leba matam sida sanaba amada engage bagi wakal hada bidandana gi seba kara kongsibu hena fajana ba performance fajana hone bilisi taga chaningi.
Manipur cycle polo team has departed from Imphal for Tamil Nadu today to compete in the 25th Senior National Cycle Polo Championship 2024-25 and the Federation Cup, which will take place from December 27th at Kovaipudur, Coimbatore. The team includes coach T.H. Chakri Tombi, manager Y. Ajit Kumar, and athletes K.H. Devanti and Meena Kumari, L. Susila, H. Pigo, and T.H. Gyaneshwari. Mangalsana Rajkumari, Jennifer Chanam and Priyanka Rajkumari will also represent Manipur in the senior national event. The team's journey was flagged off at Imphal International Airport by W. Susil Kumar, honorary advisor of the Manipur Cycle Polo Association, along with President K. Shanti Kumar and other association members. Another Manipur team has left Imphal to participate in the upcoming 19th National Matsugido Championship. The championship will be organized by Matsugido Federation of India at Sports Complex, Sector 42, Chandigarh from 28th to 31st December. The team was led by KSH Somarendo as team coach and P. Kennedy as team manager. The team, which consists of 6 Matsugido players, will compete in different weight categories. Nongpok Ningthau Youth Association, in short NNYA, Yaripok Top Chingtha organized a 40-day grassroots football coaching camp at Yaripok Top Chingtha ground. Chairperson of Yaripok Top Chingtha Gram Panchayat, Senjam Devan, President of Lai Committee, Maibam Nodia, Associate Professor Maibam Somarendra, President of NNYA, Sanabam Kennedy, attended the opening day program. A total of 52 young players are taking part in the coaching camp, which will be conducted under the supervision of coach Kangjam Ikebi and Nasipam Jemson. And now the weather report. According to ICR Regional Center, Lamphilpat State's maximum temperature was recorded at 24 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 11 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 82% in the morning and 65% in the evening today. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Ministry of Home Affairs allows 10-kilometer radius cross-border movement of residents along Myanmar-Manipur border with Assam Rifles border pass. President Draupadi Murmu appoints former Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla as Governor of Manipur. And people from from various communities gathered to celebrate Christmas at various churches in the state with religious fervor and gaiety. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for news updates. And Merry Christmas once again. Have a good night.